I think it's probably another string to this phone's bow. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Joseph. A few weeks ago, I put out a video where I talked about the Titan 2 device that you can watch here. There are a few questions that I didn't answer. The reason being, I hadn't used the device for things like the split screen mode, but one thing I found is people really want to see how that works. What better way than finding out together about it, because I've never used it. As ever, please do like, please do subscribe. It helps me, it helps you, it helps the channel. It means I can do more videos like this, and it'd be lovely to have you here. Pop a comment, anything you like, and I'll see what I can do for you. One thing you can do is that if you long hold on the app icon just here, it locks it. So therefore, if you ask for everything else to be closed, that one app never gets closed, which is good. Now I have the two apps that I want to work side by side. So I have my Wellbeing showing my screen time, and I have my Google Sheets where I'm inputting my usage. So what I do is I tap the app icon and I select split screen. And then the other thing, it says choose another app to use split screen. I'm going to click this and it automatically pulls them side by side. And now this little bar in the middle here, I can drag that one if I want that to be bigger, drag that if I want it to be smaller. So I'm actually going to make them that size. You can see that I stopped filling in the sheet on the 25th of February and we are up to, or we have March the 15th. So what I can do here is I can make sure that I'm typing and I can make sure that we're popping in the 15th of the 3rd, 2026. Great. And then I can go through and I can make sure that I'm adding the right time in there. 0127. Enter. So that is how you can use the split screen on here. So let's see how we get out of split screen. There we go. I just clicked the back key to get out of split screen. So there we go. Let's see how far we can drag it over. No, we've dragged it over so far that it's got rid of it. The other thing I can do is I can close them as they are tied together, you see, so they both close. I'm popping it into mini mode. And then I'm going to attempt to split screen these two. So there is still a possibility that you can split screen in mini mode. It just makes them absolutely tiny. I wouldn't recommend that. So I'm going to go back and make them slightly bigger. I just have this key here set to change my mini mode up. You can make that work. Looking at the side phone. I've been daily driving. So what we can do is we can split screen. I'm going to split this with Google Keep. The side phone for just over 2. You can carry on typing. You can work as normal. I have closed captions on here. Let's turn those off to make it a little bit easier. So yeah, it works pretty well, to be honest with you. That was using the split screen feature on the Titan 2 device. You'd argue that the screen is fairly perfect for that job. And so I guess the question is the phone powerful enough? And as we found out, it was able to do it. So I think it's probably another string to this phone's bow. Is that a phrase? That's sort of a phrase, isn't it? Catching a little bit.